I'm Vicki White, owner of Jacksonville Bowl Inn Incorporated. Just a few months back, I was contemplating on selling the bowling alley, and with the outpour of Texas face-to-face from the community and our league bowlers indicating their desire for us to stay the Jacksonville Bowl Alley owner, it made me rethink what I was deciding to do. I've decided to renovate a little bit and do a major overhaul of the bowling alley, starting with the lanes. This is a neat process for you to enjoy, and I'd like to turn it over to David so he can run you through the process of what we saw.
In 2005, we put in Brunswick Lane Shield. Brunswick Lane Shield is a 10-year fix. Well, we've gone a lot longer than 10 years. We decided to put in new lanes, and so now we're putting in Brunswick Avalon, a synthetic lane that will change the dynamics for the league bowler. Even for the open bowling, you'll see a difference in your scores and how the game is. So with that, in a snap, here we go. So now that we've gotten started, we'll first remove the gutters, and then the first 11 feet of the lanes will be cut out and removed. Due to the years of the bowling ball hitting the lanes, it's made divots in the lanes, which could cause it to be unlevel and cause problems there. Then the next part, they remove the pin decks so they can check the anchoring underneath. Then they'll put the new pin decks in, level them, and have them all tightened down to where the pin action is even better. And then they'll replace it with an underlayment once they've leveled it and secured the underlayment down. And then their last process, they'll be sanding the approaches and putting the new surface on.
So I want to give a special thanks to Midstate Resurfacing, Mark and Craig, and Steve Weber for all the hard work and dedication that they put in, and not just the work as a business transaction that we had together, but the friendships that were built. A huge thank you to our community, who we hope will come out and support us. We do have a youth league that starts up. It's a 20-week league. We have our adult leagues that go from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday nights, and a Monday morning, and the community yourselves for birthday parties, or just for recreational bowling. Grab a friend and come out and enjoy our new lanes.
If a ball would hit the new overlay, it could crack it. So, I lost my thought. Sanding the approaches and putting the new surface on the approaches. Then the next step is putting down the new Brunswick No, that's not. It's time for bowling. So let's go bowling. I don't know about that.
So I'd like to give a special thanks to Midstate
There it is. You wanted to say refurbishing, didn't you?